Good morning, friends. Welcome to BBSM Academy 2021 SSLC examination question papers and answers for 10th class revision. I am Veerabhadraya Demaya from Gopinhalli. Call me for my mobile 9663828428, Bangalore camp at Gopinahalli. The chemical equation that represents neutralization reactions among the following is A, B, C, D. Read the question carefully and select the correct answer. My dear friends, a neutralization reaction. What is meant by neutralization reactions? Before that, I would like to give an importance to the important things what we are going to discuss is what is chemical reaction? A chemical reaction is a process that leads to the chemical transformation of one set of chemical substance to another set of chemical substance. That means the reaction between the reactants and the products. Therefore, the important thing is chemical transformation of one set of reactants and it is finally converted into the products, that is chemical reactions. Types of chemical reaction is chemical combination, chemical decomposition, chemical displacement, chemical double displacement, oxidation and reduction reactions, exothermic and endothermic and so on and so forth. Oxidation reduction reaction is also called as redox reactions. They are classified chemical reactions into non-redox reactions and redox reactions. That is, non-redox reactions, you can see that combination, chemical double displacement, chemical decompositions comes to the category of non-redox reactions. In case of redox reactions, combination, single replacement and decomposition reactions comes under redox reactions. These are the very important. And another thing is that acids and bases that are very important. Acids are red litmus and blue litmus, that is acid base. This we can study in the next forthcoming classes. Chemical reactions in everyday life, you come across combustion, rust, digestion, photosynthesis, batteries, dry cell or wet cell, that is fermentation and washing, baking and all. Now, coming to the question, the chemical equation that represents the neutralization reactions. So, what is meant by neutralization reactions? Acid-base reactions are called neutralization reactions. Whenever an acid combines with a base, gives salt and water, this is a neutralization reaction. Any acid combines with any base, the base is also called as alkali. So, therefore, acid combines with base or an alkali, gives salt and water. The neutralization reactions, formation of hydrogen chloride or hydrochloric acid reacts the base sodium hydroxide, gives salt, sodium chloride and water. Titration methods of using phenolphthalein acid-base indicators, which are phenolphthalein is a indicator. So therefore, my dear friends, in a neutralization reactions, there is a combination of H plus ions and OH minus ions which form water. Therefore, we can classify these chemical reactions, many type of chemical reactions: combustion, photosynthesis, aerobic cellular respiration, anaerobic respiration including fermentation, oxidation including rust, metathesis, reactions such as baking soda and vinegar, electrochemistry including chemical batteries, dry cells, and digestion, that is biochemical reaction, soap and detergent reactions, acid-base reactions, cooking, fireworks, rotting of food, electroplating of metals, electrochemical reactions, disinfecting surfaces and contact lenses, drugs, bleaching, hair color or hair dyeing, leaves changing color with seasons, salt keeping ice off roads and helping to freeze ice cream. So these are the important things of different types of examples of chemical reactions in our day-to-day life. Thank you for listening. Like, share and subscribe. If you like our videos of VVSM Academy by Veerabhadraya Demaya, contact 9663828428, Bangalore, camp at Gopanahalli. This is a very important information. I am going to give the objective type of questions in coming SSLC students. Thank you. Take care. Don't forget to press bell icon and subscribe.